Hi guys, this is a tutorial on how to beat the Gorilla Tag tutorial. So once you spawn over here in the Gorilla Tag tutorial, you're just going to want to come right over, about here, and reach up there. Now if you can't make it, if you're short like me, you might have to go on your pinky toes. And then all you do from then on, after you get up, is you just run this way. It's fast or slow, it doesn't matter. I don't know why my menu just opened, but you either go up this ramp or you go up there. But since I'm a trained professional, well, not professional, I'm gonna go this way. But you still could take the ramp. But anyways, now you just go here and you jump down right here and you'd be playing Gorilla Tag. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and bye!